Hello students, again I welcome you in online class and we were talking about determiners. So now we'll talk about in deep student. The first determiner is their article. We will make a separate video for that. Next, demonstrative and possessive. Demonstrative adjective are this, that, these, those. They point out the things. Next, possessive. Possessive case you can see that shows belongings or possession. My, your, his, her, their, its, etc. I think I don't need to explain about all these. Now I'll come to the distributive. Yeah, this is very important. And students, distributive determiners refer to a group. Okay, how the group is divided individually. First and foremost, we will take the each and every determiner. Means member of a group as individually. We will talk about the members. Okay, members of a group or members or the things of a group individually. Let's see an example. Let's see students. Suppose how we can use each. Both have similar meaning, but if we'll talk about a limited area, limited quantity, limited members, like in a class, each student of our class is honest. Okay, so we are talking about a limited area here, limited quantity, limited numbers. Each can be used with two also. Okay, I have marker in each hands. You can see I have pen or marker in each hand, but every can't be used with two. Second, every has no limited criteria. Okay, there is no limitation. Like every Indian should respect tricolor. Every Indian loves tricolor. Okay, I tell you every time to switch on your video. Every time we go to cinema every year, so generally every is used with time. Okay, so now come to the next, both. Both means a pair. When we talk about a pair of things, both Sanju and Bhavna, okay, are going to take part in dance competition. Means a pair. First of all, we write both, and then we will write the name. Okay, name of the persons. You can see the example. Both girls, or both Bhavna and Sanju, you can write, are ready to sing. So after both you will get plural beta, but after each and every you will get singular determiner, and you will use singular verb. Keep in mind. Next is either and neither. Either means you have two options. You can take this one or you can take this one. Okay, but you can choose only one. Suppose I am asking the choice. Okay, so either girl is ready to sing. Okay, either इनमें से कोई एक गर्ल रेडी है, या तो ये या ये, दोनों नहीं है, only one. Okay, you can walk either side of the road, this side or this side. Either side आप walk कर सकते हैं रोड के. Only one choice है बेटा, इसमें से कोई भी एक आपकी पसंद है. Neither or neither we can say means no choice. Not this one, not this one. You can't walk neither side of the road. Means you are not allowed. It means negation. Okay, ना की बात हो रही है. Neither boy is ready to dance. Means none of the boy. Neither boy means no boy is ready. Okay, two boys were there. We are talking about two here. Okay, out of two, if anybody is ready, either. If nobody is ready, neither is ready, so we use neither. Got it? So they also take singular verb. Next, half. Half means a part of something. Okay, किसी चीज का डिवाइड करते हैं तब उसमें से जो एक पार्ट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड हाफ. सो गिव मी हाफ अ किलो शुगर. आफ्टर half a kilo or half my money, half is a predeterminer, we can say. Okay, this determiner is used before a determiner, so it is called predeterminer also. I hope that distributive adjective or distributive determiner is clear to you. Now I will go to the next part. Now talk about next kind. Next kind is quantifier. Yes, quantifier, quantity. Students, all the things we can't count. So quantity has two kinds. How much or how many means quantity can be countable. Like you can count how many pens are there in the wrapper. Okay, you can count. And but the quantity like uncountable things are also there. Like you can't count them, है ना? So we measure in a kg, liter, etc. So countable, this is uncountable noun and this is countable noun. Got it? Now students, so how much means countable, uncountable, and how many countable. So uncountable, let me first of all tell you uncountable determiners. That one is less, much, little, a little, the little, a number of. Countable nouns, countable determiners means the determiners which can be used countable noun. Many, several, few, a few, the few, a large amount of. Students, but some here some quantifier are there which we can use with countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. So let me tell the name. Some countable and uncountable noun के साथ हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. Then any and then a lot of, or you can say lots of. So one by one we will discuss the usage of these quantifier determiners. Now students, we'll talk about the usage of quantifier determiners. Students, first of all we'll see the many. Okay, so many is used with plural countable noun. Plural CN means countable noun. Let's see an example, student. Many people have lost their jobs. Okay, so many is used here with countable noun. Countable plural noun we can say. Okay, countable and plural noun. Next, several. Several is also used countable plural noun, CPN. Okay, and both has the similar meaning. Many and several both has the similar meaning. We can replace them. Several students were injured. You can also write many students were injured. You can also write several people have lost their jobs. Both are right. Okay, so next move to the a number of. So we are talking about countable only. Okay, we are talking about countable quantifiers. A number of plural countable noun, or we can say plural countable plural noun, or you can write countable plural noun. Okay, like example you can see a number of. Okay, a number of, a large number of is also right. Students have passed. It has also a number of means बहुत सारे, many we can also replace with many. Next is students sum. Let's see, let's focus on this sum. Okay, like I can see I have some pens, I have some grains. Both are right, countable with uncountable and countable both. So sum can be used countable. How? Example देखें. So some books, some is used with countable and it is used with plural, countable plus plural. Okay, तो uncountable का तो plural होता नहीं है. So some books are on the table. With uncountable, student, you will see, will you give me some water? So water is uncountable. So uncountable noun doesn't have any plural, don't have any plural. Next, any. Any students used in negative and interrogative sentences. Negative, interrogative, 100%. Okay, so it can be also used countable and uncountable. Let's see, student. Hello, are you listening to me? Good. So with countable noun, have you got any pen or pens? Means it can be used with singular or it can be used with plural noun. Next, with uncountable, I don't have any information. Information is uncountable. Okay, do you have any pen? So you can ask the questions to your brothers, your sibling, your father. Mama, is there any sugar in the kitchen? Is there any chapatis in the box? You can ask questions to, okay, to yourself also. Ask these questions, make activities, okay, at your home. Ask to others who write the sentences. Now we'll talk about the next kind. Next quantifiers are a lot of or lots of. Both has the similar. It is formal and it is informal, student. Means बहुत सारे. It can be used with plural countable noun and with uncountable noun also. Plural countable noun, student, there are a lot of computers. Okay, so lots of, there were many computers, there were several computers, so it is the synonym of many, you can say. Uncountable, there is a lot of milk, there is a lot of milk, lot of milk. Uncountable noun. Lot of computers, countable noun, plural countable. Next, most. Most is used with superlative degree also, but here we are using most as a determiner, as an adjective. So most used with plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. See, most people believe in God. Madam, majority of. Most means maximum people. Out of 100 means 90 people believe in God. मैनी से बहुत आगे है ये, मैनी में तो बहुत कम रह जाते हैं. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज नो. नो 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 नो. Note, as we know that beta note can't be used, note is not a determiner but no is a determiner. So how we can use? No can be used with countable and with uncountable. With countable we can use singular and we can use with plural. So no can be used with singular and plural both. Let's see an example. There is no reason to be afraid. No reason, singular. No apples. There are no apples in the box. Box खाली हो गया because apples are very expensive nowadays in this pandemic. So no apples. Got it? With plural. Next, see the use of no in case of uncountable noun. She had no idea. Okay, so it is used here with uncountable noun.